Input transducer microphone. An application of input transducer with microphone is shown in this video. This visual represents the constructional details of microphone, and the process of working as an input transducer is explained here. Metal grill, diaphragm, back plate, wires carrying the AC signal. Support ring, insulated frame, air gap, lead outs. Thus, microphone converts sound to voltage.